Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday 25th of July. Looking at cable, which rallied yesterday, little real driver behind that move. You had this the announcement and acceptance of Boris Johnson to be the new Prime Minister of the UK. Helped sterling higher a little bit, but I don't really see that there's any real longevity behind a rally in sterling. You've got the move back to basically that downtrend of the past four weeks or so, where the market has just found a bit of resistance, and it's coming in underneath all the resistance of 2580, 2560, and yesterday's high at 2520. So it's not really set up certainly for any real decisive technical rally. Momentum indicators across the board on a medium-term basis are still negatively configured and suggesting that rallies are a chance to sell. I'm not going to necessarily rule out the fact that maybe you see on a weaker euro, perhaps sterling benefits on the back of that, maybe on a relative basis, but I can't really see too much upside on sterling against the dollar at the moment. Dollar seems to still be the main outperformer of the currency majors, and subsequently we see sterling lower. You've also got the fact that Boris Johnson is going to struggle, I think, to get any sort of new Brexit deal through, so subsequently the market is going to still have to price in for a harder Brexit, and in due course that's going to be dragging sterling lower. So rallies are a chance to sell on sterling technically and also fundamentally, I believe, at the moment, and I think we still continue to play that game. So what we have at the moment is this, you could argue a little bit of a range really in the past couple of weeks, but there is still this negative drift of that downtrend in place, but you do have a bit of a floor at 24.20 now. You could argue even a bit of a pivot at 24.20 as well. Today's low, not really substantive low, but comes in around 24.60, but fairly much of a consolidation at the moment on today's session. But yesterday's spike high of 25.20 is initial resistance, but I think the market is going to be consolidating pretty much, and looking ahead towards, I think, the dollar driver tomorrow, which will be the advanced GDP number, which is going to be a possibility of adding volatility back into the chart again. But ultimately, rallies are a chance to sell, I think, on sterling. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our videos, and also go to our website where you can join our trading webinars. Thank you very much.